Hello students, today I am discussing about JEE mains question paper solving 2020. Here, first question, the range of the function f of x equal to x plus 2 divided by modulus of x plus 2 is, first one A option 0, 1, second option minus 1, 1, third option R, fourth option R minus subset of minus 2. See here, so observe model function condition first here proof. So f of x equal to x plus 2 divided by modulus x plus 2. Okay, see here. So modulus means is modulus functions conditions ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Here f of x equal to here minus 1 if x less than of minus 2 if x is greater than of minus 2. See here, so note therefore it is a range of function here. So range of f of x equal to here minus 1 comma 1. It is the range of the function. Here note here second one b. Okay, second conditions observe model. See students, the difference between greatest and least value of f of x 2 sin x plus sin 2x comma x is belongs to, so close bracket 0 comma 3 pi by 2 is anta kuda 0 to 2 some t. Here option is 3 root 3 by 2, second option 3 root 3 by 2 minus 2, third option 3 root 3 by 2 plus 2. It is a fourth one. It is none of these. See here, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ ನಿಮಗೆ cos 2x and sin 2x ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 0 to 3 pi by 2 ಇರಬೇಕು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಹಿಯರ್ is proof functions ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನದ f of x equal to 2 sin x plus sin 2x. Here differentiation, so differentiation with respect to x. Here f dash of x, here 2 constant sin x differentiation cos x plus sin 2x differentiation cos 2x into 2x differentiation 2. Okay, so here f dash of x equal to, it is 2 common cos x plus cos 2x. So one more condition, f dash of x value is 0. Here f dash of x value is so cos x plus cos 2x equal to 0. ಈ 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. one more formula, 2 cos square x minus 1 plus cos x equal to 0. Here 2 cos square x plus cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Here cos 2x formula, 2 cos square x minus 1 plus cos x plus cos x. Here, so by using Sridharan formula, here Sridharan formula, so a value is a cos x, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here by using Sridharan formula is noted a value 2, b value is 1, c value is minus 1. Here x means cos x. Here so formula minus b plus a minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by a. Here x means is cos x. Here cos x equal to minus b means is 1 plus a minus root of b square means 1 4 as it is. A it is a 2 into 2, a value is 2, c value is minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, divided by 2 into a means 2. Here cos x minus 1 plus or minus. See here, so root of is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, means is 3 divided by 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Here, so last term, so either plus or minus. Here, cos x is minus 3 plus 1 is 2 by 4, means is 1 by 2. So one more condition, cos x equal to minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 divided by 4, means minus 4 divided by 4, means is minus 1. Here cos x values 2 values minus 1 and so 1 by 2. Here, so x, observe notice here, so x value is 1 pi by 2 and pi by 3, so pi by 3. So cos x equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2 means is pi by 3. So x equal to cos inverse of minus 1 means is pi. Okay, see here, so now the condition observe only. So in lies between 0, 3 pi by 2 values. Here, so now f of 0 equal to 0, f of 0 equal to 0, f of 3 pi by 2 values, f of 3 pi by 2 values minus 2. Okay, so f of x, so f of x is value ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, so 3 pi by 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ minus 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ, f of 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. here f of pi value, so f of pi value ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ it is a node out is 0. here f of pi by 3 value ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, so f of pi by 3 value ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ so 2 root 3 by 2 here, so plus here root 3 by 2, so root 3 by 2. So note LCM is 2, LCM is 2. Here 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 means is 3 root 3. Here, so the difference between greatest and least value of f of x or equal. See here, observe only. So difference between here, difference between greatest and greatest so greatest and value of greatest and least value of greatest and least value of, so value of least value of is 3 root 3 by 2 plus here minus 1 is plus 2. Here answer is third one C. Here answer is third one C. Third one conditions. If a, b, c are in GP and x, y are in the arithmetic mean between a, b and b, c respectively, then a by x plus c by y is equal to first one 0, second one 1, third one c, fourth one 1 by 2. Here, so arithmetic mean form ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು so conditions ಏನಂದ್ರೆ GP ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ. See here, so first ನೋಡಿ, so proof, so conditions ನೋಡಿ, so given that here given that a comma b comma c are in ಯಾವುದು it's a GP. Here one more formula, b square equal to ac, here so x equal to bc, a plus ab plus 1, so x equal to a plus b by 2, here y equal to b plus c by 2. So here, so one more formula and equations. So here equation number 1, so equation number 2, so equation number 3. See here, observe ಮಾಡಿ. First now a by x plus c by y. Here, so now a by x plus c by y equal to see here a equal to so a condition use ಮಾಡಿ 2x condition ಆಗ್ತದ see here ಆದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ x so x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so conditions x ಅದನ್ನ a plus by 2 na 2a by a plus b ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ it's a 2a divided by a plus b plus c as it is y means b plus c by 2 means 2c divided by b plus c here 2c divided by it's a b plus c see here so observe ಮಾಡಿ is a LCM here condition 2 so 2 common a plus b here ab plus ac see here so ab plus bc so ab plus bc ab plus bc plus 2ca or ac divided by here ab so ab ac plus b square plus it's a bc see here 2 numerator term as it is ab plus bc plus 2ca so divided by here ab plus ac plus b square means is ac here ac plus 2ac see here so b square equal to ac see here next steps 2 into numerator term as it is here ab plus bc plus 2ca or ac divided by ab as it is ab plus ac plus ac or ca plus ca means 2ca or ac plus 2 sorry bc out there so bc plus bc here it is a cancel so answer is 2 so option is no doubt here third one C the value of integral 0 to 2 pi x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx is this option is pi square by root 2 second one pi square by 2 root 2 third option 2 root 2 pi fourth one pi by 2 root 2 see here observe ಮಾಡಿ here it is a property ಬರ್ತದೆ it is a 8 properties so 8 property base ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅದ here observe ಮಾಡಿ proof integral so I equal to integral 0 to x so x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx by using property so by using the property here I equal to integral 0 to x here pi minus x divided by 1 plus cos square of pi minus x into dx here formula integral 0 to a so f of a minus x form or condition formula use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು here so I equal to integral 0 to x pi minus x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx okay see here conditions I equal to integral 0 to x pi divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx minus integral 0 to x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. See here one more steps here I equal to 0 to x so pi divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx minus is I here I form so I ikkada bantadre it is a 2I here 2I pi constant पर integration 0 to x 1 divided by 1 plus cos per x into dx. Here so from so pi integral 0 to x 1 by cos per x into dx. Okay, so here so one more property here by using some property here 2i equal to so pi conditions here observe ಮಾಡಿ so integration 0 to here pi by 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ is a 2 pi here so 1 divided by cos per so 1 divided by 1 plus so 1 plus cos per x into dx. Okay, here observe once again so 2 pi cut 2 pi integral 0 to pi by 2 observe ಮಾಡಿ here sec square x ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ divided by so 1 plus here tan square x into dx 1 plus sorry 2 plus here 2 plus tan square x so 2 plus sin tan square x. Here one more substitution formula substitution here put t equal to tan square x अथवा tan x here differentiation sec square x into dx here t equal to 0 and t equal to pi by 2 here x equal to 0 and x equal to infinity. Here so observe conditions so one more conditions here t value so observe ಮಾಡಿ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ x ಇದೆ here x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ t value ಆಗ್ತದೆ here t value. Okay, observe next so 2 pi equal to so 2i equal to 2 pi 0 to infinity here 1 divided by 2 plus t square into dt. Okay, so here observe one more formula your formula see here integration dx divided by observe ಮಾಡಿ so a square plus x square equal to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c form. See so substitute ಮಾಡಿ 1 by 2 root t square e form use ಮಾಡಿ here 2i equal to 2 pi here 1 by a means is root 2 tan inverse t by root 2 0 to infinity. Here 2i equal to 2 pi divided by root 2 here so tan inverse t by root 2 0 to infinity. Here so 2i equal to root 2 pi here tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0 2 pi equal to root 2 pi here pi by 2 minus 0 2i equal to here pi square divided by root 2 ये 2 root 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಈ 2 ನ root 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ root 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ pi square divided by 2 root 2 so note it is a second one it is a complex number form the z equal to 1 minus t plus I into root of t square plus t plus 2 where t is a real parameter the locus of z is the organ plane is option is first one and ellipse second one hyperbola third one is a straight line fourth one is none of these see here z value so proof let z z equal to 1 minus t plus I square root of t square plus 2. Here we know that z equal to x plus iy. See here, so z value is x plus iy. Here x plus iy 1 minus t plus I square root of t square plus t plus 2. Here, so one more condition, comparing. Here, compare it's a real part and imaginary part. So real part and imaginary part we get. So imaginary part and also real part separate conditions are recorded. Here real part is x equal to 1 minus t, adana t equal to 1 minus x. Next condition is I. So I equal to square root of t square plus t plus 2. Squaring on both sides is more than y square equal to t square plus t plus 2. Here y square equal to t. T means is 1 minus x. So 1 minus x whole square plus 1 minus x plus 2. Here y square equal to 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 1 minus x plus 2. Here y square equal to x square minus 2x minus 2x minus 3x, so 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. Here, so one more formula. So y square equal to, observe here, y square equal to x minus of 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole square plus 7 by 4. Condition double. Here which is a hyperbola. So hyperbola conditions are. It is a hyperbola. Is that noted? Here second one. The solution of the equation dy by dx plus y into tan x equal to x plus m into cos x is. So first one, m plus 1 into y equal to x plus m plus 1 into cos x plus c into m plus 1 into cos x. Second one, so my equal to x plus m plus c into cos x. Third one, y equal to x plus m plus 1 plus c into cos x. Fourth one is none of these. ಈ conditions that the differential equation integrals ಬರುವಂತ differential equation form. Here so linear equation form ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಯಾವುದು dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to plus py equal to q form ದಾಗ I of means is the integral factors condition ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So formula the given equation of the solution formula y equal to ಅಥವಾ y into I of equal to integration of q into I of plus c form use ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Here so first one is a proof. So proof conditions observe ಮಾಡಿ. This is the linear equation of the form. Here first one formula, so dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here so condition conditions here so dy by dx so plus dy by dx plus y into tan x x raised to m into cos x. Okay, see here observe madri. So dy by dx y ka y, p means here tan x, here q means x raised to m into cos x. Okay, so formula, see our formula, integral factor means I of here integration e raised to integration p into dx, here integration e raised to integration, so p means is tan x into dx, here e raised to log sec x here sec x answer ಅಥವಾ log of modulus sec x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ sec x ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ here observe ಮಾಡಿ ಏನದ conditions those solution okay solution is given by formula y into f equal to integration q so integration q into if plus c e formula see y to y as it is integral factor means is sec x here integration q means is x raised to m into cos x here if means sec x plus c here y into sec x is so x raised to m plus 1 divided by m plus 1 plus c here direct form use ಮಾಡಿನಿ so condition use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ here so y equal to so observe ಮಾಡಿ conditions observe ಈ y sec x ಇಕ್ಕಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ m plus n LCM ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ see here m plus 1 into equal to x raised to m plus 1 sec x ಅಂದ್ರೆ divided by sec x ಅಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos x yeah cos x plus c ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ m plus 1 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ c into m plus 1 here sec x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by sec x means is cos x here cos x so answer is first one a here first one the limit function the problem the value of the limit extends to 2 e raised to 3x minus 6 minus 1 divided by sin of 2x minus x is so option is first one 3 by 2 second one 3 third one c minus 3 fourth one minus 1 here so observe my students here first important conditions of the code is approved so limit x tends to 2 e raised to 3x minus 1 divided by sin 2 minus x okay see here observe it so next steps are there so limit x tends to 2 so common note observe it is a common term so minus 3 common ತೆಗೆದಿನಿ e raised to minus 3 common ತೆಗೆದರೆ 2 minus x is minus 1 divided by sin of 2 minus x ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ here 2 minus observe ಮಾಡಿ here put t equal to 2 minus x here x equal to 2 minus t so observe ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ put value of the t equal to 2 minus x here so limit x tends to 0 condition change ಆಗ್ತದೆ so 0 so e raised to minus t minus 1 divided by here sin t so ಈಗ conditions ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ it is a 0 by 0 form ದಾಗದ 0 by 0 form ದಾಗ limit functions ಈಗ observe conditions here limit x tends to 0 so condition differentiation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ so minus 3 e raised to minus t divided by sin t differentiation is a cos t by using L hospital rule form so ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು by using L hospital rule ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ limit x tends to a f dash x divided by g of x condition like here so ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು f of x ನ f dash of x ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು g of x ನ g dash of x ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ here apply ಮಾಡಿ conditions ಏನಂತದ so ನೋಡು is minus 3 answer so answer is C. The area bounded by y minus 1 equal to modulus x, comma y equal to 0 and modulus x equal to 1 by 2 will be, first option is 3 by 4, second option is 3 by 2, third option is 5 by 4, fourth one is none of these. So formula yavandra application of integrals here. So one editor ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ on the y equal to y minus 1 equal to modulus x. Here first one, so points ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ means critical points. Here proof, so proof observe ಮಾಡಿ, the given lines are y minus, observe ಮಾಡಿ, here plus y minus x equal to x, here x is greater than or equal to 0, comma y minus equal to minus x is less than or equal to 0. Here some modulus either one plus and minus. Next conditions, y equal to 0, here x equal to 1 by 2, comma so x is less than of 0, here x equal to, observe ಮಾಡಿ, is x equal to 1 by 2 means is plus, hence x is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so the area observed conditions observe ಮಾಡಿ, so that observe ಮಾಡಿ, so that the area bounded is as shown in the figure. Observe ಮಾಡಿ here. Here y axis, here x axis. Modulus either use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Here 1 more x value is 1 minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2. Here is a B, C is a O point. These are area. Here points. Here one more point is minus 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 0. Here 1 by 2 comma 0. Okay. So required area observed. Here a required area. So area of 2. So 1 and 2 times of the area. So 2 times of the area is here 0 0 0 to 1 by 2 means is 0 to 1 by 2 means 1 by 1 plus x into dx. Sorry, x plus so 1 plus x. Okay, so 1 plus x. Here, so y equal to 1 plus x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ is y equal to minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus x or x plus 1 ಯಾವುದು ಬರಿ. Here, so 2. So integration ನೋಡಿ observe 1 means integration x. X means is x square by 2. Here 0 to 1 by 2. Here 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means is conditions 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 is whole square. So 1 by 4 is 2. So 1 by 8. Okay. So total LCM LCM the direct value is answer is 5 by 4. Is a note. Yeah. Third one, C. Ninth one, the general solution of sin x minus 3 sin 2x plus sin 3x equal to cos x minus 3 cos 2x plus cos 3x is, first one a n pi plus pi by 8, second one n pi by 2 plus pi by 8, third one minus 1 raised to n pi by 2 plus pi by 8, fourth one n 2 n pi plus cos inverse 3 by 2. First we have trigonometry, last chapter general solutions. Here, so first one today, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ conditions. So, first solution ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Here sin x minus 3 sin 2x plus sin 3x equal to cos x minus 3 cos 2x plus cos 3x. See next step is 2 sin 2x into cos x minus 3 sin 2x equal to here 2 cos 2x sin x minus 3 cos 2x. See so cos x, sorry, here cos x. See next one. So common term sin 2x common sin 2x 2 cos x minus 3. Here cos 2x common, so cos 2x is 2 cos x minus 3. Okay, see so observe ಮಾಡಿ conditions sin 2x, okay, sin 2x cos 2x. Here cos x equal to 3 by 2 is not equal to, okay, so not equal to here as cos x is not equal to 3 by 2. Here tan 2x equal to 1, so 2x equal to, so observe ಮಾಡಿ condition formula. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, so formula general formula pi by 4 theta minus pi by 4. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ observe ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ tan theta equal to tan alpha. Here tan theta means is 2x, here 2x, here tan alpha, tan 1 means pi by 4. Formula x equal to n pi plus pi by 4. E form. Here observe ಮಾಡಿ x equal to n pi by 2 plus pi by 8. So answer here x equal to n pi plus n pi by 2 plus pi by 8. So note out is the second one. So vector form. So second one observe ಮಾಡಿ here let vector a comma vector b and vector c be a three non-zero vectors such that so no two of these are collinear if their vector a plus 2 into vector b is a collinear with vector c and vector b plus 3 into vector c is a collinear with vector a in the bracket lambda being some non-zero scalar, then vector a plus 2 into vector b plus 6 into vector c is equal to first one 0, second one lambda into vector b, third one lambda into vector c, fourth one lambda into vector a. Here so proof conditions. Here observe ಮಾಡಿ select vector a plus 2 into vector a. Here vector a plus 2 into vector b equal to here t into vector c. So next one conditions and here one more conditions in the vector b plus 3 vector b plus vector 3 into vector c s into vector c, s into vector a, sorry, say s into vector a. But observe ಮಾಡಿ where t and s, so t and s you can observe ಮಾಡಿ t and s are scalar, here first one here. So these two conditions are adding one, so adding here adding, so adding we get here this one enters adding. Observe ಮಾಡಿ add ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ a plus 2 into vector b plus vector 3 into vector c equal to tc vector plus s into vector a. See observe ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ a observe ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ a plus 2b vector plus 6 into vector c ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ 6 into. ಈಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ t c ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ s ಸ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ b ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3c ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ here 6c ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3c ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 3c ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಸಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ tc ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ tc ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ b ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3c ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3c ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅವಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ b so minus vector b plus 3c vector plus 3c vector. Here observe ಮಾಡಿ conditions vector sub form. ಈಗ observe ಮಾಡಿ conditions ಇದೆ t plus 6 here c vector using conditions ಯಾವುದು s a vector equal to ಇರದ so s a vector equal to ಇರದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ so vector b plus 3c vector here so lambda c vector therefore lambda equal to t plus 6. So now option is third one C. OA and OB are the tangent from the origin to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 and C is the center of the circle. The area of the quadrilateral OACB is the option is first one 1 by 2 square root of c into g square plus f square minus c. Second one b square root of c into g square plus f square minus c. Third one c into root of g square plus f square minus c. Fourth one root of g square plus f square minus c divided by c. Here subproof conditions. Subproof observe ಮಾಡಿ here sub diagram observe here see conditions for our ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. so one more diagram here circle here CRO here C here A B here conditions and here okay see observe ಮಾಡಿ area of the quadrilateral ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು area of the quadrilateral formula. So 2 into area of triangle. So area of triangle OAC triangle OAC here. So 2 into so 1 by 2 OA so OA into AC. Here, so observe ಮಾಡಿ. So 2 to cancel is root S into area of means is G square plus F square minus is a radius form. Here, so point observe ಮಾಡಿ. Here, point is 0 0. Here point is 0 0 is implies S1 equal to C. So S1 equation of the S1 equal to C. See here. So area observe ಮಾಡಿ. It is area equal to square root of C into G square plus F square minus C. So no doubt. So answer. Here answer is second one. The image of point. The image of point minus 1, 3, 4 in the plane x minus 2y equal to 0. So first one option is minus 70 by 3, minus 19 by 3, 4. Second one B, 15, 11, 4. Third one minus 70 by 3, minus 19 by 3, 1. Fourth one is none of these. See here, conditions observe ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ if so alpha beta gamma so be the image so image the midpoint then midpoint so midpoint of so midpoint of alpha beta gamma. Okay, and minus 1, 3, 4 must be lie on yadr mele lie on x minus 2y equal to 0 here. Therefore alpha minus 1 by 2 minus 2 of beta plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore alpha minus 1 2b minus 6 equal to 0. Here alpha 2b equal to 7. So equation number 1. Here so also line. Okay, so also line joining alpha beta gamma and point is minus 1 3 4. So should be conditions in the should be parallel to normal of the plane ಯಾವುದು x minus 2y equal to 0 here. So alpha plus 1 divided by 1 so beta plus 3 divided by minus 2 equal to so gamma minus plus 4 so gamma minus 4 divided by 0 so equal to it's a lambda use ಮಾಡೋಣ. So lambda ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ conditions so observe ಮಾಡಿ alpha plus 1 divided by 1 equal to lambda use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ so alpha equal to lambda minus 1 condition. Second one beta plus 3 divided by minus 2 equal to lambda ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ condition ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ so beta equal to say the minus 2 lambda plus 3. Next so observe ಮಾಡಿ plus 3 beta minus is plus 3 comma so gamma minus 4 observe ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಗಾಮಾ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ 4 ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಾಮಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 and 2 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 and 2 ಸೊ 1 and 2 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೊ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತ ಆಲ್ಫಾ 1 ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಮೈನಸ್ 2b ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7 ಅದ. ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 9/5 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೀಟಾ ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಬೀಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನದ ಬೀಟಾ ಅದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 13/5 ಅದ. ಸೊ ನೋಡು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅಂತೂ ಇಸ್ ಗಾಮಾ ಅಂತೂ ಇಸ್ 4. ಸೊ ಅವಕ್ಕ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 9/5 ಅಂತೂ ಇಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 13/5 ಅಂತೂ ಇಸ್ ಗಾಮಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4 ಅಂತೂ. ಸೊ ನೋಡು which is of the option is must be fourth one. So answer is fourth one. If f let f from R to R be a function defined by f of x equal to minimum set of x plus 1 comma modulus x plus 1, then which of the following is true? First one, a f of x is differentiable everywhere. Second one, f of x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Third one, f of x greater than or equal to 1 for all x belongs to R. Fourth one, f of x is not differentiable at x equal to 1. See here, first one, condition same f of x, observe ಮಾಡಿ. So f of x equal to, it is the minimum set of x plus 1 modulus x plus 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. See here, so f of x, so f of x is so x plus 1 comma every x is belongs to R ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಈಗ one more diagram here, observe ಮಾಡಿ. Here is a y axis, here x axis, here x, here x dash, so here y. So next observe ಮಾಡಿ. So conditions luxury here, so y equal to x plus 1 condition use ಮಾಡೋಣ. Here so y equal to minus x plus 1, so minus x plus 1 here 0 comma 1, here minus 1 comma 0. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x equal to 1 plus 1 and minus 1 I got plus 1 modulus x plus 1 equal to our condition use ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ here. Hence f of x is ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ differentiable ಆಗ್ತದೆ. f of x is differentiable if ಅಥವಾ everywhere, so everywhere for all x belongs to, everywhere for all is x belongs to R. No doubt. So option is first one A. So 14th one, for the equation modulus x square plus mod x minus 6 equal to 0, the roots are option A is 1 and only one real numbers, second one real with some 1, third one real with some 0, fourth one real with product 0. See here, first one conditions here, so prove when x is less than 0 modulus x equal to minus x. Here equation, so equation x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ x equal to 1 minus 2 ಬರ್ತದ minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus 2x plus 3x ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So here therefore x is less than 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ here x equal to minus 2 is the solution So x equal to minus 2 is the solution. Fine. Conditions observe ಮಾಡಿ. So x is greater than or equal to 0, comma modulus x is minus ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ modulus x equal to so x ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ so equation so observe ಮಾಡಿ so equation x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ equation ಬರ್ತದ 2 minus 3 ಬರ್ತದ. ಅದು x is greater than or equal to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ here x equal to 2 is the solution. Is the solution. ಈಗ hence observe ಮಾಡಿ hence conditions observe ಮಾಡಿ. so x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದು 2 ಬಂತು ಒಂದು minus 2. here 2 here minus 2. okay, so observe ಮಾಡಿ are the solutions are the solution and their sum is ಏನಂತದ 0 ಆಗ್ತದ. sum is 0. so options ಏನಂತದ solution there is sum is 0. your option is C. Put into one integration of dx divided by 4 sin square x plus 5 cos square x equal to first one, so 1 by root 5 tan inverse 2 tan x divided by root 5 plus c. second one 1 by root 5 tan inverse of tan x by root 5 plus c. third one 1 by 2 root 5 tan inverse of 2 into tan x divided by root 5 plus c. fourth one none of these. Here is a proof. one first conditions 1 divided by hengada so 4 sin square x so 4 sin square x plus 5 cos square x into dx. here so next steps sec square x divided by so 4 tan square x plus 5 into dx. observe ಮಾಡಿ divided by cos square x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ divided by cos square x divided in numerator 1 by cos square x ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. okay, see here one more condition mark sec square x divided by so tan square x plus 5 by 4 into 4 into dx. so 1 by 4 ಬರೆಯುತ್ತೀನಿ is 1 by 4 integration sec square x divided by tan square x plus 5 by 4 into dx. here observe ಮಾಡಿ put t equal to tan x here dt equal to sec square x into dx differentiation. here so 1 by 4 so 1 divided by t square plus a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನೋಡಿ so root 5 by 2 whole square into sec square x into dx means here dt. so formula 1 by 4 into 1 by root 5 by 2 into tan inverse t by root 5 by observe ಮಾಡಿ so root 5 by 2 plus c. okay, it is a formula so integration 1 by x square plus a square into dx means is 1 by a tan inverse x by 8 plus c. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ so 2 by 4 into root 5 tan inverse t means tan x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 tan x divided by root 5 plus c. 2 ones are 2 twos are so 1 by 2 root 5 tan inverse 2 tan x divided by root 5 plus c. So answer is third one. 16th one, the remainder 27 whole raised to 40 is divided by 12 is option is 3. Second one 7, third one 9, fourth one 11. By using binomial theorem formula, so use ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. So binomial theorem conditions ಒಳಗೆ here so 27 whole raised to 14 ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ 3 raised to is 120. ಓಕೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. here so ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 raised to 19 ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. 3 raised to 19 ಅದನ್ನ so 4 minus 1 whole raised to 19 ಬರಿಬೋದಾ. so x minus a whole raised to n form expanding. so expanding ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 119 here c naught here 4 raised to 119 minus so 119 c1 4 raised to 118 plus so 9 119 c2 so 4 raised to 117 minus 119 c3 4 raised to 116 plus so on up to conditions up to so on here minus 1 conditions here. See here so 3 raised to 119 equal to so 4k minus 1. So 4k minus 1 here 3 raised to 120. So 3 raised to 120 equal to so 12k minus 3 here. So 12 so k minus 1 plus 9 adjustment ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಈ ತರ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ here. so ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ the required remainder ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ so remainder is 9 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. so option is C. On which of the following intervals in the function x raised to 100 plus sin x minus 1 decreasing is options is first one 0 comma pi by 2, second one 0 comma 1, third one pi by 2 comma pi, fourth one it is none of these. See here so conditions observe ಮಾಡಿ is a proof so f of x equal to here conditions here x raised to 100 plus sin x minus 1. okay so differentiation ಮಾಡಿ so f dash x here 100 x raised to 19 plus cos x is a differential minus is the one difference 0. okay leave it here if 0x less than pi by 2 condition use ಮಾಡೋಣ intervals here then f dash x is greater than of 0. so therefore f of x is increasing. f of x is here increasing conditions. so increasing on 0 comma pi by 2. so 0 comma pi by 2. okay see here if observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ so if 0 less than x is less than 1 condition ಇದ್ದಾಗ then ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 100x raised to 19 plus 19 x raised to 19 ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು is greater than of 0 and cos x is greater than of 0. so cos x is greater than of 0 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ because ಏನಾಗ್ತದ because condition ಆಗ್ತದ x lies in between ಯಾವುದು condition 0 and 1 0 and 1 ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. It is a radian. Here, next one, f dash of x. One more conditions. See, f dash of x equal to 100x raised to 19 plus here cos x. Cos x is ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? It is a greater than of 0 ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. f of x is here. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ f of x is ಏನಂತೇಳಿ is increasing. Okay, so f of x is increasing on ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದ 0,1 ಆಗ್ತದ 0,1. if observe ಮಾಡಿ if pi by 2 less than x less than pi ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ so pi by 2 to 90 to 180 ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ then ಯಾವುದು x 100 ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ 100x raised to 19 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ 100 ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ x is greater than of 1 ಇರ್ತದ x is greater than of 1 x is 99 greater than of 1 ಆಗಿರ್ತದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ f dash x ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ f dash of x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಆಗಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ f dash of x is 0 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ f of x therefore f of x is ಏನಾಗ್ತದ increasing. f of x is increasing ಹೆಂಗ in between pi by 2 to observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ it is a pi by 2 to pi. Okay, so increasing ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ no doubt all the option is ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is a fourth one D is a fourth one D. 18th one, so probability chapter ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡಿ problems. A locker can be opened by dialing a fixed 3 digits code between 000 and 999. A stronger who does not know the code tries to open the locker by dialing 3 digits at random. The probability that the stronger succeeds at the kth try is option is k by 99 or second one k by 1000, fourth one k minus 1 by 1000, fourth one is none of these. See here conditions observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗದಂದ್ರೆ is a let a denote so let a denote the event the condition the event that the stronger ಯಾವುದು succeeds at the kth try ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ kth try then ಹೆಂಗದ so condition p of a dash equal to so 999 divided by 1000 into so 998 so conditions ಏನೋದ so locker okay 998 divided by so 999 so 99 into so on up to 1000 minus k plus 1 divided by 1000 minus k plus 2 into so on up to 1000 minus k divided by so condition 1000 so 1000 minus k plus 1 1000 k plus 1 here so p of a dash so p of a dash equal to 1000 1000 minus k divided by 1000. Okay, so here, so p of a ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 1 minus 1000 minus ಇದೆ 1000 minus k divided by 1000. here ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಸರ್ k by 1000. is the node option is second one. If f of x equal to set of the function first minus x square, if x is less than or equal to 0, second condition f of 5x minus 4, if 0 is less than x less than or equal to 1, 4x square minus 3x, if 1 less than x less than 2, 3x plus 4 if x greater than or equal to 2, then first one f of x is continuous at x equal to 0, second one f of x is continuous at x equal to 2, third one f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 1, fourth one is none of these. Here first one x equal to 0 condition ಇದ್ದಾಗ observe ಮಾಡಿ. so here at x equal to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ limit x tends to 0 minus f of x ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೋಡೋ 0 ಆಗ್ತದ. so next one ಯಾವುದು so f of 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು 0 is the equation. here next limit x tends to 0 plus here 0 plus f of x ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 0 plus ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 5x is 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇದು -4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ one condition hence ಏನಾಗ್ತದ f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ at x equal to next one here at x 1 at x equal to 1 in the conditions observe here at x equal to 0 ಆಯ್ತು here at x equal to 1 here limit so x tends to 1 minus f of x limit x tends to 1 f of x ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ so ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 1 so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 5 minus 4 is 1 ಆಗ್ತದ ನೋಡೋಣ comma here so next limit condition f of 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು 1 ಆಗ್ತದ so f of 1 equal to 1 next limit x tends to 1 plus f of x so limit x tends to 1 f of x is plus 1 greater than observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ greater than 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ so greater than 1 condition ಇಲ್ಲದ observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 4x 4 minus 3 is ಇದನ್ನು 1 ನೋಡೋ hence ಏನಾಗ್ತದ f of x is continuous at x equal to 1 ನೋಡೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು at x equal to 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ observe so at x equal to 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ you add condition ಅಷ್ಟೇ you add condition observe ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ here so limit x tends to minus f of x means LHR negative ಇದು observe ಮಾಡಿ here ಇದೆ negative ಅಂದ್ರೆ so 2 square 4 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ರಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ so 2 square minus 3 into 2 ನೋಡೋಟ್ is 10 ಅದೇ ತರ so limit x tends to 2 plus f of x here is ಏನಾಗ್ತದ so 3 into 2 plus 4 ನೋಡೋಟ್ is 10 here so next f of 2 so greater than or equal to conditions so 2 ಇದು 10 ಆಗ್ತದ therefore hence f of x is ಯಾವುದು continuous at x equal to 2 ನೋಡೋದು is a second one b here x equal to 2 second one conditions here let f tends to set of x comma y comma z so to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 be a 1 1 mapping such that only one of the following three statement is true and remaining two are false. F of x is not equal to 2, comma f of y is equal to 2, f of z is not equal to 1, then f of x is greater than f of y greater than of f of 2, f of z. Second one, f of x is less than f of y less than f of z. Third one, f of y greater than less than f of x less than f of z. So next, f of y less than f of z less than f of x. See, so conditions are right here. See, suppose select f of x not equal to 2, comma be true idanga. So and f of y equal to 2, comma here f of z is not equal to 1 is false. So false are all false or false. Okay, see one more conditions implies, see f of x is not equal to 2, comma f of y is not equal to 2 ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ so f of z value so equal to 1 ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ conditions ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here f of x equal to 3. so observe ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ f of x equal to 3, comma f of y equal to 3, so f of z equal to 1. Okay, so but the function ಅಥವಾ mapping, the function is many one, function is many one. Okay, so many one function ಆಗ್ತದ. now let f of z is not equal to 1 ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ is true of ಅಥವಾ and f of x is not equal to 2. so f of x is not equal to 2 and f of y is 2, comma f of y is 2 are false. Here, so f of 2 is y equal to 2 is false agata conditions. Here, f of x equal to 2 agitandra, comma f of y is not equal to 2, f of y is not equal to 2 and f of z is not equal to 1. Okay, equal to what conditions? Here f of x equal to 2. Okay, so f of x equal to 2 ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ comma f of z equal to 3 ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ so f of z equal to 3, f of x equal to 2, f of z equal to 3 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ f of ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು f of y equal to 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ hence 1 function. so 1 function ಆಗ್ತದ ನೋಡೋ is the option is C. ಈ 21 ಹೆಂಗದಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಹೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ tan ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿವೇಶನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. The shadow of a tower is found to be 60 meter shorter when the sun's altitude changes from 30 degree to 60 degree. The height of the tower from the ground is approximately anta bardada. Here so observe ಮಾಡಿ. so first ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮುಂಚೆಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದು? ಸೊ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಈಗ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, ಒಂದು 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, ಒಂದು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, ಒಂದು 60 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ 60 ಮೀಟರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಟವರ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಟವರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೊ ಟವರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂದ ಹೈಟ್ ಒಂದು ಹೆಂಗದ ಸ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅದ. ಸ 30 ಸಾರಿ 60 ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ 60 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟವರ್ ಅದ, ಇದರ ಹೈಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇಸ್ 30. ಓಕೆ ಸ ಇದು ಬಿ, ಇದು ಸಿ, ಇದು ಡಿ. ಈಗ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 60 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದಂದ್ರು ಹೈಟ್, ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಸಿ tan 30 ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ adjacent sides. tan 30 ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, tan 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಡಿ ಬಿ. tan 30 ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. here tan 30 here ಏನಂದ್ರೆ opposites divided by adjacent sides. opposites h divided by bd ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus 60. so x plus 60. okay so x plus 60 ಅಂತ comma so 1 by root 3 to the tan here. So h divided by x plus 60. Okay. So here conditions ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 h divided by x plus 60. Conditions use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. So x plus 60 h root 3. Observe x plus 60 h root 3. ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ಈಗ x equal to ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. x equal to h root 3 minus 60. ಈಗ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. a c b tan 60 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ tan 60 h divided by x height opposite side adjacent side ಯಾವುದು ACB. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ACB ಇರ್ತದ. ಈಗ x equal to h by so ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ root 3 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ tan 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ root 3 ಅಲ್ಲ. so x equal to h by root 3 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಬಂತೆ. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ tan ಈಗ h x ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ 3h ಮೈನಸ್ ಈಗ ಲಕ್ಷ. ಸೊ tan 60 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, tan 30 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಏನದ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ 3h minus 60 root 3 60 root 3 equal to h. okay see h equal to ಏನಂತದ so h equal to 60 root 3 divided by here 2. next one ಈಗ ಏನಂತದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ height can observe ಮಾಡಿ. so h equal to 60 ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತದ is 30 root 3 30 root 3 ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. so 30 into root 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ it is a 51.96. here h equal to 51.96 means 52 ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ approximate. here 52 it's a meter. so h value is a height. ಈ height ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's a 52 meter. so 22 the number of ways such that 6 persons can be selected from 4 officers and 8 constables. ಏನದ if at least one officer is to be included is if. So first one, it is a conditions required number of ways 4 and 8 ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ it is a 4c1 8 into c5 plus 4c2 into 8 c4 plus 4c1 into 8 c3 plus 4 option. So 4c2 is a 4c3. So 4c4 into 8c2. ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 4 into 8c5 means is 56. 4c2. So 4c2 means is 6. 8c4 means is 70. Here plus 4c3. So 4c3 is 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ into 8c3 calculation. 8c3 is 56 plus 4c4 is 1. Cn value is 1. 8c2 value is 28. Here totalization multiply add ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ 896 ಬರ್ತದೆ. That is the answer. 23. The line here given by x by 5 plus y by d equal to 1 passes through the point 13,32. The line K is parallel to L and has equation as the equation x by c plus y by 3 equal to 1. If the distance between L and K is 23 by root t, then t is again varies. Here observe ಮಾಡಿ conditions observe ಮಾಡಿ here given that the line L passes here passes through 13,32. Okay, so 13 by 5 observe ಮಾಡಿ 13 by 5 plus 32 by, so b equal to 1. E value of the put one x and y value 13 and 32 here. So b value is minus 20. So b value is minus 20. Now equation. So now equation of c is equation of L is x by c. So x by 5. So x by 5. So equation x by 5 plus y by minus 20 means is minus equal to so minus equal to 1. Okay, so equation ಏನಂತ ನೋಡಿ so 4x minus y equal to 20. So equation so ಈಗ ಏನಂತ slope of observe ಮಾಡಿ it is a slope of L is m1 equal to 4. slope of observe ಮಾಡಿ slope of ಏನಂತದ ಯಾವುದು x by c plus y by 3 equal to 1 is ಏನಂತದ m2 equal to minus 3 by c condition ಆಗ್ತದ. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ so L and K can observe last L and K so L and K are parallel ಯಾವುದು lines ಇರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ so minus 3 by c equal to 4 so m1 and m2 ಹೌದಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ಈಗ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ -3/4 ಆಗ್ತದ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾತಂದ್ರ ಸೊ in the equation of the ಯಾವುದು line so equation of the line k is okay so k ಅದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ k is so in the -4x divided by 3 next plus y observe ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು plus so in the y by 3 equal to 1 ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ is 4x minus y equal to -3 that's the answer so 24 the radius of the circle modulus of z minus I divided by z plus I equal to 5 is a complex number form by the see here so here so modulus z minus alpha divided by z minus beta equal to k so equation number 1 is a formula here where alpha and beta are constant complex number so complex number represents circle of is a k is not equal to 1 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ so ಯಾವುದು and its radius is so radius is ಇದ್ದಾಗ so modulus k minus of alpha minus beta divided by so 1 minus k square so equation number 2 so equation number 2 given ಅಂದ್ರೆ equation so given the modulus of z minus I divided by z minus ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನ minus of minus I is equal to 5 okay see so alpha is I beta is I minus I beta is minus I beta is minus I so beta is minus I is the k value is 5 here k value is 5 alpha is I beta is I minus I okay so ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು by using comparing ಯಾವುದು so equation 1 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು here so radius observe ಮಾಡಿ here radius modulus so modulus 5 minus observe ಮಾಡಿ 5 minus of I plus I divided by 1 minus 25 just ನೋಡ್ರಿ is 5 by 12 5 by 12 means is 0. So 5 by 12 0.42 that is the answer so 25 if delta r equal to determinant of first to r minus 1 n 6 r minus 1 square 2n square 4n minus 2 r minus 1 whole cube 3n square minus 2n then summation of n to r equal to 1 delta r is ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ ನೋಡೋಣ here is proof so proof summation of n to r equal to 1 so r minus 1 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n minus 1 ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ n into n plus 1 divided by 2 is the first year mathematical induction formula see next conditions summation of n to r equal to 1 r minus 1 whole square is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n minus 1 whole square is n into n minus 1 2n minus 1 divided by 6 ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಗ್ತದ ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ n to r equal to ಯಾವುದು r equal to 1 here r minus 1 cube 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n minus 1 whole cube equal to n square into n minus 1 whole square divided by 4 ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ here summation of n to ಯಾವುದು r equal to 1 is delta r equal to here so observe ಮಾಡಿ so r minus 1 here r minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ n into n plus 1 observe n into n plus 1 divided by 2 here r minus 1 whole square r minus 1 whole square means n into n minus 1 to n minus 1 divided by 6 here r minus 1 cube r minus 1 cube means is n square into n minus 1 whole square divided by 4 here second column and third column as it is here n 2n square 3n square see here 6 x ಇಲ್ಲ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ ಸರ್ 2n minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿದ್ರಾ 3n 3n equal to so n so 3n so 3n common ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ see here 3n ಆಗಬೇಕಾಯಿತು so small mistake sorry so 3n minus 8 observe see here selection common ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ so n into n minus 1 divided by 4 common ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ observe 12 so 12 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ so 12 common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಾ ಇದರದ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ observe ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು n into n minus 1 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 so ಈ ಕಡೆ so observe ಮಾಡಿ 2 2 2 so ಏನಾಗ್ತದ is a 12 ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ is a 12 ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಈಗ 6 ಆಗ್ತದ observe ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ 6 ಬರ್ತದೆ actually conditions ಈಗ next 2n minus 1 observe ಮಾಡಿ n 2 into 2n minus 1 observe ಮಾಡಿ 2 into 2n minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ next 3n into observe ಮಾಡಿ n minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ second as it is already n 2n square 3n square 6 2 into 2n minus 1 3n into so n minus 1 okay see here observe ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ because c1 and c3 column are either identical ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ observe ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀರಿ n into n minus 1 divided by 6 into 2 6 on the 6 to the ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗ so n into n minus 1 divided by 2 into 2n 2 into 2n minus 1 2 into 2 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ so n into n minus 1 divided by 2 into 3n minus 3n into n minus 1 so condition is not 3n minus 1 3n minus 1 whole square n whole square 3 by 12 3 ones are 3 4s are 12 correct ಆಗ್ತದೆ okay so condition exists ಈ ತರ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು